guys, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our channel Beauty Face with Sam. I am Sam and I make videos related to makeup and hairstyle. If you guys are new to my channel, so hurry up and do subscribe to my channel, or if you have already subscribed, so thank you so much. One more thing, if you guys want to learn related to hairstyle, then watch my previous video. Click the I button above and go and see. Let's move on the main topic. Here I am doing again inspiring purplish gold smoky kind of eye look, which is inspired famous makeup artist and KnooK if you want to learn. So keep on watching till the end. Thank you so much. You have to take a brush with brown color and fill the eyebrow and also wet the color and apply it little by little. We will start filling the eyebrow in the direction of the hair with the angle brush. I will keep the eyebrow dark from the outer corner and keep the light from the front side because it does not give a harsh look. Now I'll take a concealer and I'll use it to knead eyebrow, and to do that I am using a flat brush. This concealer, I'll use it to my eyelid and under eye area and also blend it with finger. You may also blend it with brush as well. Now I am using Glamorous face eyeshadow palette and I'll take white shadow to highlight brow bone area. I am applying shadow little by little and build up the color. Then I'll take a lilac shade and applying it to crease area with the fluffy brush and contour my eye. I am using Glamorous face eyeshadow palette and I'll take a light purple shade and applying it to outer and inner corner and also blend it very well. I'll taking a fruity pink eyeshadow and keep the corner and again blend it. Here I have the liner which I will use on the outer and inner corner. First I keep the color and then blend it with circular motion. After blend the liner, I am using Glamorous face eyeshadow palette and I'll take a dark purplish shade to fix it. I will cut the crease with the concealer and flat brush. After applying concealer, blend it with finger and again apply. Here I am taking gold eyeshadow and applying it to conceal area. Now I am using blue eyeshadow and blend the edges of corner. Now I am applying kajal on the waterline. Next I am applying black eyeshadow on the lower line. Again I am using blue eyeshadow on the top of black eyeshadow. Liner, basic liner with the lash line. After applying liner, I am using Glamorous Voluminized Mascara to curl my upper and lower lashes. I forgot to mention one thing, sorry for this. This thing was I used fake 3D eyelashes. So here is my final look. If you like my video then give thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.